First of all, you'll notice some subtle rebranding going on. I can explain that to people individually over lunch. I'm actually talking here about the work of a large department within the Science and Technology Facilities Council, members of some of whom are based at the Daresbury Laboratory, and others like they've worked already presented are based at the Rutherford Laboratory, and people like me are based at the Daresbury Laboratory. So I'm going to talk about the overall work of the department, and I've divided it into three sections here. First of all, what we're going to be doing in this so-called Hartree Centre project in the future is looking very much at the grand challenges of computational science, simulation and modelling of the key strategic research areas, some of which are listed here. New materials, looking at new ways of generating energy, that sort of thing. So these are the areas that are involved in that particular research. So that's focusing on the research area of computational science and engineering. And the way we do that is very much in collaboration with research groups, not only in all academic institutions in the UK, but also around the world. And we will be bringing in commercial collaborators to help in that process, because they very much understand what the requirements are, what are the challenging problems, what do we need to address using computational methods. The second area, the key to this workshop, of course, is software. And we're looking to make a step change in the capability of what we can do in the UK. So as new computational technologies come in, new computer systems, machines with multi-core, with general purpose graphic processors in them, we can develop new numerical algorithms which will enable us to solve those challenging research questions using that new technology. So we're looking to place the UK in a position where we can be world-class over the next 10, 15 years or so. So numeric algorithm development, there's a group at the Rutherford Lab who are very much doing that, and we will also work with the numeric algorithm, the NAG software group, who's already been mentioned on one of the other slides. We have a software engineering and application support group, which David is a member, and he's already explained the work they do. We do exascale computing. We're working on some of the largest computers in the UK, in the world, for instance, on the Oak Ridge machine, and people are working on the European exascale computing initiative to take the applications forward. And we're supporting currently some 90% of the work of the collaborative computation projects, and I have a set of brochures downstairs which will show people more about that if they're interested in knowing what those are. And finally, in terms of operations, we do forward-looking work in evaluating the potential of novel computing technologies. I mentioned GPUs already. We're also looking very much at new service provision models, so we're setting up currently a cloud computing service at Daresbury, extending the work we previously did on the Northwest Grid, and that's in collaboration with local universities and local enterprise and commercial groups. And we also do a certain amount of specialised training, both in the use of new computing technologies and also how to use the applications which we support and work with on behalf of the CCPs. So there's a URL here, there's a poster and more brochures downstairs, and my name is at the top there. So I think I'll stop there and allow people to go down for lunch. Thank you.
Thank you.